to do some explaining.
This one's for the lovers. If you're out there, let me hear you sing. Yeah, 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 yeah. This one's for the lovers. If you're out there.
10 carriages driving away while I watch them ride with my dreams away to the summer sunset on a holy night on a long black road. All the tears I fight. 16 carriages driving away while I watch them ride with my dreams away to the summer sunset on a holy night on a long black road. All the tears I fight. 15, the innocence was gone astray. Had to leave my home at an early age. I saw mama praying, I saw daddy grind. All my tender problems had to leave behind. It's been umpteen summers and I'm not in my bed. On the back of the bus and a bunk of the bed. Going so hard, gotta choose myself. Underpaid and overwhelmed. I might cut clean but still won't go. Still working on my life, you know. Only God knows, only God knows, only God knows. 16 carriages driving away while I watch them ride with my fears away to the summer sunset on a holy night on a long back road. All the tears I fight. 16 carriages driving away while I watch them ride with my fears away to the summer sunset on a holy night on a long back road. All the tears I fight.
Hey y'all, I got the nastiest bump right by my eye. That's not it. I don't have much going on today other than cleaning up, probably getting ready for the week, because that's what I do. I use my time while I have it wisely. I don't just wait till the day before work to try to cook and clean the house. So I'm thinking about doing a quick at-home workout. I need to go get me some food because it is 9:47 and I'm hungry. During the week, I've eaten breakfast by 7 o'clock. Like, I don't play around with food. Got on my J Sculpt waist trainer, Nike sports bra, the Nike pants. But yeah, let me go do this quick leg workout and try to find me something to eat because your girl is hungry, and then we'll sit down and chat because I need to do some explaining. 3 years from YouTube. I posted that one Shein try on 2020. Oh Lord, it's about to be 4 years. Well, I came back, so I can't say 4 years. 2020 to 2024 is insane. So we're going to talk about it. We're going to talk about it. I'm not somebody who has errands to run Monday through Friday. No, I'll save my errands till Saturday. This might be the one and only vlog y'all get because I don't want to bore y'all to death with the same every day. Wake up, do this, and it's just routine. When I tell y'all I am a 24-year-old inside of a 65-year-old body, like, I mean that. So yeah, I might have to like change my vlogs to weekend vlogs because that's when I'm usually doing stuff or doing a little bit more than the usual running, because that's what it seemed like. Get up, run, get home, run. Like, that's what it is. Like, I'm in the bed by 8 o'clock. So that tells you there it's nothing going on that is even worth recording. I'll still post my little tutorials and post hair stuff because I did do these braids about a month ago. If you cannot tell, my braids are over a month old now. Like, they are ready to go. Usually I have my braids out of my head within 2 to 3 weeks, but with not much time to just sit down in one spot, take all of this out, wash, blow dry, and rebraid. That's why I've had my braids in for over a month, and I'm ready for them to go. Like, they're cute. It's easy to just get up, do my edges, and go. But I miss my weave. I miss my curls. I miss the long hair. It's a time for that. And right now is not the time. And I know for a fact when summer comes, that's not the time either. Because if y'all know how hot Georgia gets, to have a 28-inch on your back, oh baby, no, you're not going to make it. My little rant is over. I'll check back in with y'all when I finish this leg workout. It's a little bit of time later at 8. I watched a little TV. I don't know why I didn't do this while the dog was sleeping because now she's roaming around the house. Anyway, I've been on YouTube. I made my YouTube account when I was 13 years old, back in 2013. When I made my account, it was never really to post anything. I just wanted to make an account to have an account. I didn't have a camera. I did have a MacBook, but I always knew or always thought you had to have a camera to record and to post. So fast forward 2020, COVID, and because we were all at home with nothing to do, ordered a whole bunch of clothes, and I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna just make a YouTube video now. I'm tired of putting it off. I'm tired of saying I want to do it and don't do it. So I bought all these clothes, and I still had my MacBook, and I recorded my first YouTube video. Vinny, stop! Vinny, stop! Stop! I recorded my first YouTube video on my iPhone 11, whichever number it was back then in 2020. I recorded it on my iPhone, and y'all, the time it took for me to record these videos on my iPhone, I had to airdrop the videos, and you can only imagine how long that took me. That took me so long. The getting dressed and putting it on was nothing. It took me a full week just to put up that 4-minute video. It like knocked everything out of me, and I almost got a little discouraged. Well, I did get discouraged because I'm like, okay, I put all this time and all this effort into this video, and my video might have had 300 views by the first month, and I'm like, what's going on? I got like 2,000 followers on Instagram. Why isn't it doing it? Why isn't it doing what it need to do? I just didn't understand that recording the video and posting the video was not enough. You have to still put it out there for people to know, hey, I'm on YouTube. I have a video out now. Go watch it. I did not do that. I just recorded the video, click upload, and was like, okay, this finna blow up. And it didn't. So I was a little hurt. And fast forward December 2023, I'm like, you know what? Let me try it again. I got free time to do this. I still got my clothes. I never recorded everything in that first video. So I'm like, let me come back with a part 2. I feel like this is a huge learning lesson for me though, because even though I didn't get the numbers that I wanted in 2020 off of one video, just by me posting that part 2 of that video gave me the push I needed to keep going. Because it's like, okay, y'all weren't really feeling the first one, but y'all are feeling the second one. So just to see those numbers go up helped me just, okay. And here I am about to be 5 videos in. And it is a slow process, and it is teaching me patience. It's teaching me overnight success isn't always the best. And even if it does take me a little bit longer than I thought it would, I'm okay with that. This is a marathon and not a race. The first video I posted after being off of YouTube for almost 4 years, I wrote down, I will be happy if this video gets 4,600 views. Y'all, why the video got 7,500 views? And I'm like, it's just totally different having different equipment to help make the process easier. So I'm hoping that I can just stay consistent with this now and keep pushing. I don't have an end goal for YouTube. I don't. It's not even about money for me. It really is so cool when you can be that person who's recording the content, editing the content, watching it all come together is so beautiful. Like, oh my goodness, I did this with my 2 hands in my mind. Like, this is me. And I always felt like YouTube was a place where you can truly show who you are through your content. It's no wrong way of doing a video when you're truly being yourself and you're showing the world something they've never seen before. Because I feel like there's thousands of try-on hauls. There's thousands of vlogs people do every day. But when have you ever seen the same vlog or the same try-on haul? Yeah, we might all be talking about the same things, but we're all different. And we're all bringing a different piece of ourselves into this video that we're putting out for people to watch. Getting back on YouTube recently showed me my support isn't always going to come from the city I live in, the state I live in. When I look at my analytics on the back end and I'm seeing different people in different countries watching my videos, it really was like a eye opener that, girl, you don't know the people that you watch. Like when I talk about watching Arnell and Jay Majette and all these other great influencers, they don't live in Savannah, Georgia. They don't even live in Georgia. So how can I get upset when people that I know personally aren't supporting, when it's females that I support that I don't even know? Just realizing that your community is going to come. It's going to come. It might not come from the people that you thought it would come from, but it's going to come. That's the biggest lesson I feel like being off of YouTube and coming back has taught me. It's the millions of people in this world. Just knowing that, it makes me want to keep pushing forward to be the best version of myself. See y'all soon.